Welcome to TallyHelp videos. Before you start recording UAE invoicing transactions in Tally Prime, configure a few statutory details in your company and masters. Let's learn how to set them up. First, complete the company setup. Press F11, Company Features. Enable VAT. Enter the TRN, TIN, registration date, and periodicity, and ensure these details match with the Emara Tax portal. Set invoicing applicable to Yes. Specify the applicable from date and invoice bill from place. Select the applicable agency ID and enter the required identification details based on your selection, such as trade license, Emirates ID, cabinet decision, or passport information. Press Ctrl A to save the details. Next, configure the unit of measurement. Create or alter a unit and select the appropriate unit quantity code, or UQC, that must be reported in the invoice. You can also update these details from Ctrl I, More Details. Now, let's configure a stock item. Create or alter the stock item and select the required units of measurement. Under Statutory Details, select the applicable taxability as taxable, exempt, or zero rated. For taxable items, specify the VAT rate. And then select the type of supply. If alternate units are used, specify the reporting UOM, UQC, that should be recorded in the invoice. If the taxability type is exempt, specify the effective date for revised VAT registration details, select the applicable reason for exempt from the list of reasons and save the details. Next, configure your party ledger. Create or alter the party ledger and enter the correct mailing and banking details. Under VAT registration details, select the registration type, enter the VAT registration date, and TRN, if applicable. Enable Provide Invoice Details to configure the invoice details and specify whether the party is registered on the PayPal network. If yes, enter the PayPal ID, digital location number issuer, and digital location number. For overseas parties or UAE unregistered parties, provide the digital identity number issuer and digital identity number. Press Ctrl A to save the details. Now, configure your sales ledger. Under Statutory Details, select the taxability, VAT rate, and type of supply. If the taxability type is exempt, specify the effective date for revised VAT registration details, select the applicable reason for exempt from the list of reasons, and save the details. Next, configure other ledgers as required. For example, if you use discount ledgers, set the type of ledger as discount. Then specify if the ledger is appropriated to goods, services, or both. Specify the method of calculation and reason for allowance as required. Similarly, for charge ledgers, configure the required taxability details, assessable value calculation, transaction type, calculation method, and reason for charge. Your company and masters are ready for invoicing. You can proceed with invoicing registration and start recording transactions with invoice details in Tally Prime.